Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
If anything dangerous happens, just call Mr. Logie anytime.
You know, Spooky, we had no idea that it was you. We thought you were a monster because you were...
Wow, tayo.
Equipment installing. Installing.
Ready for dispatch!
Mayor, let's go! You're on!
Smokey, I need crews!
Never mind that now.
No, I need her back here! Now! Get her back!
Wow, Tomica.
Okay, I didn't want to have to do this, Doc, but you leave me no choice. Fellow citizens,
Oh, Sally.
La grúa dijo recto, ¿cierto?
Correcto.
Recto.
Correcto.
Hay que ir recto. Ya oí suficiente y fuera.
Hou op met hikken, soldaat. Dit is een bevel.
Neem een slokje water. public. If the press find you, they will be like many, many bugs on you.
You're in the slow lane. This is Lightning McQueen you're hauling here.
Just stopping off for a quick breather, kid.
No, sir. And I'm sorry I made you late. Now, may I take you to the picnic?
What's your name, son?
Lightning McQueen.
And Lightning McMe!
Oh, hey there, champ. I heard you're selling mud flaps after today. Is that true? Hey, you put me down.
Een jong stelletje reed over precies dit gedeelte van de snelweg. En toen zag het een
Get your kicks on Route 66.
Feel the wrath of the Lower Bell County Unified School District!
You're implying that I switched out that rot gut excuse for alternative fuel with my all-natural.
We had some good times together. I'm gonna miss that the most, I think.
The difference between you and Francesco knows how good he is. He does not need to surround himself with...
Work through this stuff so when your big chance comes along, you can take it.
Hey, Cruz.
Oh, hey, Mr. Sterling.
I am not coming in behind you again, old man.
Gracias. Niñito, el primero en California se queda con Tainoco, todo para él.
Ah, no, ¿cómo crees?
Goedemorgen, racewagen. Morgen, takelwagen. Goedemorgen, Stanley.
Fabulous. I've never seen Doc drive more than 20 miles an hour. I mean, have you ever seen him race?
No, but I wish...
Hey, drop and give me 20 miles. Go, 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 go. Go!
Man!
Mama! Don't worry, Mama. McQueen is very sad. I will be.
Drive. There was one lap racing his 500 of those. Everybody fighting to move up, lap after lap.
Start training?
I don't know. You ready to lose again?
Oh, hope you got your fluffy cloud.
I hope you got...
Identified as crop hopper 7.
I'm running on vapors. I need to land.
What are you doing out here with an empty tank?
Well,
con questi bulloni del cavolo, le mie chiavi non funzionano!